IT Solo pitching kit is used for pitching any of our inner tents size 5 to 15 on their own. This is included in the kit: top connector, long fastening strap, 8 ground tensioners, you'll only need 5 for pitching half an inner tent. To pitch the half inner tent using the kit, you will also need a central pole, 6 tent pegs, mounting cross, and a measuring tape. Attach the top connector to the upper edge of the inner tent using the O-rings and the 5 toggles. Fasten the O-rings on the 3 remaining top connector straps, the one at the front, to the snap link of the long fastening strap. There is a floor tensioner at each end of the long side of the inner tent. Push the toggle at each end through the smaller ring on the ground tensioners and then attach to the ring on the inner tent. Attach the other 3 ground tensioners to the lower edge of the inner tent using the rings and toggles. Use the mounting cross to position 5 pegs in a half circle. Pull the 5 ground tensioners over the pegs. Attach the fastening strap to the ground using a peg positioned centrally some way in front of the half inner tent. Put the central pole inside the sleeve of the top connector and then pitch the inner tent by pushing the pole upwards. Put it down in the inner tent. Close the door and tighten all the ground straps. Tighten the long fastening straps as well so the half inner tent stands straight. Adjust the straps as required.